Hi guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I will show you how you could easily convert any document or book from a WinRAR or zip format to any other format, PDF, Word, etc. To begin, we will need to download a very light software called Calibre. So open your browser and type Calibre. As a next step, click under Calibre ebook management on the download. Here choose the version which matches with your computer. If you are a Linux user, this one is for Mac users and this one is for Windows. For Windows users, I will click again on Download Calibre 64-bit. Once the download is over, click and install the software as you do with any other software. If you don't know how to do it, watch the video which is mentioned in this video's description, as we explain how you can download it and install it. Once done, open your software or the Calibre, open your document, select and drop drag inside Calibre. Calibre will take some time to recognize the document, and once done, we'll be prompted like this. Once done, right-click on your book and select Convert Books, Convert Individually. Here we'll be choosing the format in the output format, the format which you want. It might be Word, PDF, SNB, TCR, etc. Once done, you can change the name, the title, the author, etc. and then click OK. Click on Jobs in the right and the bottom, and the conversion will begin. Usually it takes few seconds up to 1 minute and sometimes several minutes based on how big is your document. Once done, we should see as a status finished. As you can see, it's 100%, it's finished. Just close it, right click and select Save to Disk. Save to Disk in single folder. Choose the folder and click Select Folder. And as you can see, it automatically has opened the file. And here I have an additional document which has been just created now, 1520. So you can go ahead and open your document and check it. Thank you guys for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.